Oh boy, I ended that video by accident. I was coming over here to videotape these milkfish that are getting huge after 2 months. I don't know if you can see it. Look at those things. They're massive for 2 months old. Wow, that's really something. I'm amazed. Those things grow like crazy. Once they figured out how to stop the birds from eating them. And then we had a problem with these spiny foot. They went over here and they actually believe, because they caught some other kids doing it, that these spiny foot fish started getting big enough to eat, and so some of the neighboring kids came around and actually brought a fishing pole and lines, and when no one's here at the fish cage at Brown's Oasis, they fish for our fish in the cage. That's pretty good fishing right there. So we only have like it looks like 20 or 30 left out of probably 200 or 300. So they got us for those fish. And here's the finished pimp boat. The tarp is all on, everything's done. Tatai and Evander put it on there. Looks great. Lasts probably another couple of months, but that's good enough until we find a better material to put on there, if we ever do. But it looks great. So I'm going to get all the stuff set up for fishing. We're going to go fishing tomorrow. Well, the work is all done. The girls are playing cards. Hey Leanne, how are you? And now the MP is flowing. So now the party begins. All right, who's next on the MP? What's going on? What happened? Huh?
Me.
Oh, it's your turn? Okay. Evander's ready to go. All right, Evander, what's going on over there? Hi? Are you drinking? Speak some English for me, Evander. English. No. No. We just talked about building a dock, extended dock for the boat so that we can use it while it's parked here just right from this edge of the porch. Building a walkway over, park the boat over here on the side so it stays permanent in its space out of the way, and then we just have a ramp, a dock, actually going right up to it where you can tie the boat to and also just walk right on the boat, on and off the boat. So it's a lot easier to, if we want to have big parties or whatever, we can have that dock space. I mean, the boat space is dock space or floor space, whatever. Sounds good. What are you doing, Evander? Hi, what's yeah? Are you going to give the baby MP?
Yeah, I'm gonna
start them out early here in the Philippines. No, I'm just kidding. You have a baby? Yan Yan, come on. Look how we're peer pressuring Yan Yan to drink. Pass? You want double?
It's full of soda.
What is? It's full of soda. She's trying to lie to Yan. Come on, Yan, let me see you drink it. I'm watching you, Yan. Where are you going? Yan. You are so... How do you say slow, Yan? Low bat? Low bat.
Low.
Yeah, low bat, Yan.
Give me one. Okay, thank you.
Low bat, Yan. You have a great smile, Yan. Oh, she did it. She's crazy. We're taking the boat off the dry dock. Says we're going to take everybody home with our boat, and also we're getting ready to go fishing tomorrow. So.
Alright, so they're gonna get the boat off of the ramp. push it.
No.
It's moving.
Oh, dito sa pa.
Basta kay dili lamang gadto musuk-suk na doon. Amo rin diferensya. Musuk-suk gani grabe kalisod. Dito doy dito unahan
Sa uli na ka, sa uli magpira.
para mulago.
Hindi ka gawas nan katig.
Yan yung kwan.
Dili na di na
Yan na
tumuko.
ini gawas na siya. Kunya dili mabangil na.
Finally. We got it off of the ramp. Ooh, that was hard.
Daya ka, kwan yan hempoy.